Step into the 2013 Infiniti G37. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.